Hello and welcome to QOMO. Today I will be giving an unboxing of the QPC35. As you can see, the QPC35 is a Caterpillar camera. This dot cam clamps onto your desktop and makes it easy to conserve your desk space. It has high picture quality and frame rate, integrated microphone, autofocus, and you can even use it as a webcam. On the front of the box it shows the different positions for the document camera and the setup instructions. When you pull out the document camera, you get a quick first look at the accessories, which include the table mount tool, which is used to attach it to the side of the table, like so. Next is the document camera, which can easily be adjusted. The quick start guide, which we recommend reading before using the product, and the warranty information. The USB cable that is used to connect the computer to the camera and also to control the functions. Lastly, you can use this installation CD or the download link below for the software. For more information, you can contact your local reseller or you can contact us by emailing at sales@qomo.com. Thank you.